Christmas Eve! Merry Vlogmas Eve! I'm at my mom's again. Caitlin's here today. Jacob's here.
Half naked.
We got Elf playing, aka best movie ever. What's your Christmas, Grim? I want one. Joey didn't get us Christmas presents, so we get to pick things from his closet. I'm very excited. What do you not wear that we can have?
I don't know, you kind of have to go through it.
What about these two things?
Those two I don't wear. So you can choose one.
He is listening to Harry Styles right now in the shower. Jacob became obsessed with Harry Styles 2 nights ago.
Yeah. Harry Styles makes some good music.
Caitlin, which one do you like better?
I wear them sometimes.
I like that one. I think I bought Joey this.
Merry Christmas to us!
You're welcome.
Are we supposed to hug?
No.
Okay, good. Oh, yeah.
That once.
That looks like you. Coffee Nation in my favorite cup.
So this is the shirt that Jake said was the same. This is tie-dye. It looks almost the same. Jake, that is bleach spots and this is tie-dye. That's practically the same.
Can I have it?
No. Put the shirt on your body.
You?
That's my favorite part.
That's so mean. We got these in our stocking. How do you not know that? It's literally like one of the top songs of 2018. I also got more candy from Germany. Weihnachtsstaffel.
Wiener Schnitzel.
Ew. I look so good. Mom made glue wine. She learned it in Germany.
Well, see if I bring out any. That
It's called fashion. Look it up.
What's that?
You actually hit your nose. Oh my god.
I'll explain.
That is not fair.
The very embarrassing book of dad jokes.
Tell him a joke. Okay, I have a joke. It's the funniest book ever. Okay. What is something that dinosaurs had that no other species had?
Baby dinosaurs.
Because he's a dad.
I made it up.
I'm gonna wear that to my next holiday party. She looks like a sack of candy. Caitlin got me this Victoria's Secret fashion show robe.
We both got each other like something like
Fashion.
Ajax. I know who this.
Oh my gosh. She's like, nope. She's backing up. She knows what that is. He's so cute. Wow.
I play a lot of westerns. Look at this.
Oh.
That is me. I made it. I'm famous. Hold on, let me think.
I look fresh AF.
What's up, vlog? Yeah, that's right. I'm on the vlog now. We are making a record.
No, we're not making a record.
Oh.
We're gonna play the record.
We're playing a record by Elvis Presley.
No.
Oh. So today we had a very productive day. We got a lot of gifts. Open up our presents. Maybe you'll see some of that. But at the moment, she's being lazy and not vlogging, so I'm gonna have to do it. She's over here sitting here watching a movie, and I gotta entertain her small fan base of like 14 subscribers. So, welcome to the vlog. Go follow me at.
And now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Me love you a long time.
One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Jessica Simpson is hot. Oh, where did you come from? That was badass. Alright, let me see if I can get it to Grease Lightning on my first try. Grease Lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Grease Lightning, you're pushing through the hit grind drive. You Ow, my leg.
Time for bed, everybody.
Good night.
Snuggle in. We're filming a movie. And guess what? Your mom.
I'm going to bed.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
What was that?
A rose such a clatter?
I think someone should go out there. Why is it always me? How do you think it's going out there? What the fork?
I'm gonna go out there.
Do you want me to come with you?
No, I'm brave. I can do this on my own.
Hi, Caitlin. No, 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 no. Hi, Erin. I'll be back next year.
Big shout out to
Piper.
here. He took a big beating, but he's all right. We're good.
What? Mom? Nothing? Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed it this year. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down low before you go. And Merry Christmas from the Kavanaugh family to yours. Later, skaters.
This is a cool shot.
Okay.
Scare cam.